Hello and welcome back to LearnSBOM. I'm Liam, and today we will be looking at the VexCTL tool created by OpenVex. VexCTL is a command line interface tool that can create, apply, and attest Vex documents and data. The main purpose of the tool is to help create and manage Vex documents by turning off alerts for vulnerabilities that do not affect a product. Before installation, you will need to have Go version 1.16 or later installed, which I already have on my device. To install the tool, you can run go install with the following input. The tool has many other dependencies and packages that need to be installed as well, so it may take several minutes to completely install it all, which I have already done. Once completed, we can check if the tool is successfully installed by running the help command. If the installation was successful, you should see a menu of the possible commands for the tool. Let's first create a new Vex document with the create command. We can see how this command works by inputting the help flag. VexCTL can generate a single statement Vex document from the command line interface. The tool also provides some example inputs for this command. At minimum, you will need to specify a product ID, vulnerability ID, and status to generate the Vex statement. Let's try with one of their examples. With this input, a JSON formatted document will output on the console. You are also able to save this to a file with the file flag. Other flags are required for usage depending on the vulnerability's status, such as an action statement for affected status or justification for not affected status. There are also flags for inputting the author and author role of the statement, subcomponents, and the document ID as well. Once you make multiple Vex documents, you can combine them into a single document using the merge command. We could see how this works with the help flag. By default, you can merge all products and vulnerabilities from each Vex document. VexCTL provides some example test documents to try this out with. You can also merge documents from a certain list of vulnerabilities and list of products, which will ignore all other products and vulnerabilities. There are also flags to state the author, author role, and document ID of the combined Vex document. The merge command does not have any flags that allow for saving the file. It can only output to the console. You would need to manually save the merged file. Here is one way to do this. The tool also allows you to filter security scanner results to remove vexed out entries, or entries that are not exploitable for a product. You can perform this on a SARIF report with either Vex files or from an attestation in an image. VexCTL provides some example SARIF reports in the repository that can be used to test this feature out. We can see how this command works with the help flag. To filter with Vex files, you can add multiple files once you indicate the SARIF report. For a container image, you would do the same, but just with the image. For this demo, I will be doing this command with Vex files. Let's try with some of the example files. The filter command runs through the SARIF's vulnerabilities for any matching vulnerabilities with a test file. Here it found that CVE 2009-4487 was found in both, and it is not affected, which means it would be removed from the final Vex document. All vulnerabilities that are not exploitable were removed, leaving only affected vulnerabilities. Just like the merge command, you cannot save this file to a file with flags, and would instead have to manually save the filtered Vex document. Lastly, the tool has an attest command that can generate Vex attestation from an open Vex document. It is also able to attach the attestation to an image and sign it with Sigstore. If we look at the attest command's help output, it gives a good description on how to use the tool. When I try the simplest form of this command, we can see the attestation. Overall, this tool does a good job of creating and filtering out Vex documents, which is something that isn't very prevalent in open source software. While a lot of generating the Vex document is manual, it takes away the hassle of merging documents and filtering out vulnerabilities that do not affect the software. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at LearnSBOM.com.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.